All right, all right, all right. This is a morning wrap-up quickie because looking to just go chill out. So today we had a couple of good moves. I think we picked up one move first thing in the morning. We took that break of the open, and we picked up about $1.50 a contract. And then the second move was the break of the low, and we picked up ultimately about $5 a contract. So that was a really good move. Let's just take a quick look at the daily without that there. And very simply, you can see the daily came down, hit 368, which was pretty much that close of that gap right back here, and then turned around and took off. Shows a lot of strength. We'll see what it does tomorrow. We're probably going to end up making a new high. But to tell you the truth, I would rather see it just consolidate around here a little bit. The momentum would favor what I would rather see because the momentum here looks like it's consolidating. Excuse me. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. I wouldn't be surprised if we open up a little bit lower than the close and then maybe trade up a little bit. But yeah, we can't anticipate. We just have to see what it does. And that's the S&P, I think. So again, the daily looks like it's consolidating, and then if we look at the 60-minute where my mouse is dancing, it broke that head and shoulders, then turned around and just took off. Momentum looks like it's rolling around, probably put in a higher low and then take off to the upside. I'm sure all the indices look relatively the same. Yep, they do, so we don't have to go through each of them. Here's Bitcoin. And still, yeah, Bitcoin's just consolidating. We're waiting for the break of the high. At this point, well, that's a 10-tick bar. Well, on this venue, it's 40,660. I think it was 51,300, depending on the instrument. But the pattern will remain the same. You want to see it break this daily high, and that's a good entry on it. Tesla's just in consolidation. I mean, it's an inside bar. You could look for a break of the high or the low tomorrow and take that as your entry. And the 60-minute. Looks like it could be turning around. Might put in a double top tomorrow, and then trade off. You could just watch that. But basically, if you're looking at a swing trade, this is just really neutral. Apple, Apple is well, definitely in consolidation. Yeah, you have a pennant here now. You could go from here to here, draw the top, and you have a decent pennant. And you just wait for the break of the pennant for as far as a swing trade goes. AMZN, just consolidation. I mean, these are just indecisive dojis. There's nothing going on there that I would get involved with yet. That momentum is pretty negative, but it looks like the 60 minutes turning around. And then last but not least, AMC broke that trend line that we were watching, went to the downside. It's going to do a test of this low here, the damn thing. This low being 31.15. If it breaks that, you're looking at the $22 range. All right, so that's it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you all subscribed and hit the bell, hit the like, tip your host, and just remember that trading is void of emotion, so stay calm and stay cool, and good luck trading.